pool VLAN 90. Okay, and then network, whatever the network ID we are saying 192.168.90.0, and subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. default router 192.168.90.1. okay, this is the DHCP configuration, and I will write IP DHCP exclude 192.168.90.1 till 192.168.90.10. okay, 90.10. this is a configuration for the DHCP for VLAN 90. We will do same thing for VLAN 100 also. IP DHCP pool VLAN 100. okay, and then I am going to put the config. So let me do here, I will write network ID we need to write 192.168.100.0, then 255.255.255.0, and this network default router we need to write default router 192.168. what is that? 100.1. this is the gateway, and we need to write IP DHCP exclude and give the IP 192.168.100.1. okay, 100.1 I will give here. So here we done the configuration and we enable the OSPF also. Let's check show IP route. We have the OSPF routes are coming. I save the configuration here. So R1 R6 configuration we done, but here I forget to put the configuration what I done for DHCP. So let me copy from here. And we can modify. So let me go here where it is. Here we configure, so I will copy this one. Where shall we put? I will put here. I configure in 6, right? So just I will modify here. And this one I will delete. Just like this. okay, IP DHCP pool VLAN 90 network 192.168.90.0. this is for VLAN 90, and same thing for VLAN 100. so here should be 100, whatever we done just now. Here I will put 10 and here I will put 100. okay, so what we can say here, we have the configuration for VLAN 90 and 100, and we done for R6. same thing we need to do for R5 also. I forget here, so let's do here for R5. I will paste the configuration here and we will modify. Here you have 110, so I will write 110, and we have which one? 110 120. so this configuration for 110 I will just copy and modify. This one I am modifying here, just wherever you have 90 I will put here 110. then we have 120. so here I will write this 120, and this should be go here. This should be go here 120. So this is the configuration I need to paste. So let me copy this from here to here. I will paste in the router 5 also this one. Okay, I will go in the global configuration mode. I will paste the configuration here, and you can see everything is working here. I can save this lab. I will save the notepad. Later you will get this one. okay, now let's go here, check we are getting the IP or not from the DHCP. this machine we are not getting. so why we are not getting? We need to check that one. We need to do the troubleshooting. Maybe we do the misconfiguration. Here we are not getting. Let me check here also not getting. so maybe we did not do the configuration inside the switch. I remember I done, but anyhow let me go here and check. Did we done any configuration inside the switch or not? So what I will do here, enable config t host name. I change the switch name as a switch 5, and let me write and check. Did we configure or no? Nothing present here. So maybe I forget to put this configuration. We did not put this switch 5 configuration. I will put now. You can see here the configuration. Already I explained you in the notepad. Same thing I put here. Everything is okay. I will save the configuration. So before in the switch 5 we don't have the configuration. That's why it is not working. Now it should work. And also if you see here for the router, for the switch 6 we did not done the configuration, so we need to do that one also. So for switch 6 we need to do the configuration. So here I can make this notepad, I can divide this notepad, I can do the configuration for switch 6. Before that one we can go here and we can check before we are not getting the IP. Now we have all the configuration here. Let's see, it should get the IP from the DSCP. Still it is not working, but already we paste the configuration in this switch, and I hope everything we configure correctly. We can cross check again. Let's go here, it is not working. You can do the fast forward because when you put the configuration it will take some time. If you don't want to wait, you can check here. So this 2 PC belongs to VLAN 90. You are not getting any IP from VLAN 90. So what we will do here, we will check here also. Here we will get the IP or not. Let me check here, I am getting the IP or not. Here also I am not getting. There is something issue here, we need to check. Let's go here and check here. Do show IP interface brief. Here what we have, let me check. I will write show interface trunk. We did not configure trunk, that's why. Here we should configure the trunk. I think in the notepad we have trunk. Okay, we configure trunk where? Let's see. Here we have the trunk, but maybe we forget to copy and paste here. Let me go and do that one now. Okay, I pasted the trunk now. I pasted the trunk configuration. Now let's see, show interface trunk. You have trunk now, but before I pasted, anyhow, let's see, let me verify one time configuration here. What we have here, show VLAN brief. We have the VLAN, we have the ports in that one. And you can see here we don't have VLAN also. Oh, why, what happened? Let me copy this whole thing, something wrong. I pasted, I remember I pasted. Let me copy and paste again here. I will go, I will paste here. See here, everything is okay. Here we create okay VLAN 90/100. Let's see now it is working or not. So yeah, I have here, because that time we keep like this, so that it is having some confusion. Now no confusion. Okay, we have the VLAN here, everything is good here. Just I will save the configuration and we will verify. If it is not working, we will do the troubleshooting. So let's go here and check here I am getting the IP or not. And this is a PC and we need to check this PC assigned to which port. Okay,